guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram message or DM button not opening. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Instagram direct messages from loading. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then open Instagram again. Next, first close the Instagram app, then relaunch it. This can often fix temporary glitches causing the DM button to become unresponsive. Next up, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. If you see the option of update, click on it. Outdated versions can sometimes cause messaging features to stop working correctly. Next up, check the server status of Instagram. Navigate to the website Down Detector, search for Instagram. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If not, you can follow other steps. Now you can give a fresh restart to your device. Likewise, check for software update. If any updates are available, just update it. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Instagram app. Press and hold on it, click on remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Now head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to send message in your Instagram account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.